In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete the background music from a video using CapCut. Whether you want to replace the audio completely or just isolate the voices, this quick guide will help you do just that. Let's dive right in. Import the video, drag it to the timeline like this. Now right click on the video clip in the timeline and select separate audio. From here, select whichever you prefer. Let me select instruments. Now once you select it, listen to the audio, and if the entire audio is background music, you can just delete the audio track. Now delete it. As you can see, your background music has just been deleted. If you want to replace the original background music, just mute the original audio. You can mute it from here and add your new music track just below on the timeline. From here, go on audio and select the songs or any audio you would like. Once you select it, drag it to the timeline like this. Adjust its duration like this. Now once you adjust it, preview your video, and that's how you remove the background music in CapCut and also add the new music on it. Super simple as this. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Bye bye.